This is something we dreamed about. This was something that we hoped for. And finally, you had a multi-million-dollar international industry coming to a small town called Canton. Is that Bob there? Let's go in here and say hello.
Nissan was interested in helping specifically some small minority firms in Mississippi build capacity and learn the automotive industry.
I think the core of the conversation was job creation, a better quality of life.
As a result of that, 5 joint venture minority-owned firms in Mississippi started to serve as suppliers to Nissan. Every truck and SUV frame that Nissan manufactures in the United States, we electrocoat it and sell that frame to Nissan.
There are many stories where Nissan has served as a stepping stone for and toward one's future.
Nissan got involved with the Mississippi Children's Museum very early. Even before we opened our doors, they were a good corporate partner with the museum. We wanted Mississippi's children to be able to see industries and jobs that might be available to them here in Mississippi.
Nissan comes, Nissan brings suppliers. Suppliers employ managers and team members.
We think learning starts very young, and that those skill sets that are needed to be an educated 21st century workplace start when you're very, very small.
When you look at impact, you have to look at 4 areas. Economic, you look at the labor force, you have to look at the educational, and you also look at the social aspect.
Hey, man. We have more people working who live here, who are actually from Canton and working at Nissan. So that has helped our tax base.
Our community is enriched by the 21st century ideas that we're able to have here in Mississippi.
In terms of education, the CAV centers, Center for Advanced Vehicular Studies, money and grants from Nissan. So that is an educational impact.
If you want to go to college, if you want to further your education, Nissan is right there as a bridge and is right there as a support system.
If people have higher paying skilled jobs, I'm naturally going to be buying more goods and services from the local stores. You will see stores popped up and boutiques.
We're blessed that for more than 15 years, Nissan has called Canton home.